Alpha, I have a diver dam. Keep, uh, keep clear at low speed. Bravo, I'm I'm taking in I'm taking in cargo dangerous goods. Ay, Charlie. Yes, affirmative. Delta. Uh, keep, keep clear of me. I'm maneuvering with difficulty. Echo. I'm altering my course to starboard. Uh, Foxtrot. I'm 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 disabled. Communicate with me. Uh, Golf. I require a pilot. Hotel. I have a pilot on board. India. I'm altering my course to port. Uh, Juliet. I'm I'm on fire. I have a dangerous cargo. Keep clear. Ay. Kilo. I wish to communicate with you. Uh, Lima. Please stop your vessel immediately. Mike. My vessel is stopped. I'm making the way. November. No negative. Oscar. Man overboard. Papa. All personnel return to ship. We are about to proceed to sea. We are um, we are about to proceed to sea. Quebec. Ship needs health regulations. Hi. Ship meets health regulations. Request requesting clearance to port. Romeo. Preparing to replenish at sea. Sierra. Moving astern. Tango. Keep clear. I'm engaged in uh, I'm engaged on trolling. Uniform. You are running into danger. Victor, I require assistance. Whiskey, I require medical assistance. X-ray. Stop. Stop carry out your attention and watch for my signal. Yankee, I'm dragging my anchor. Zulu, I require a tug.